Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the world of skincare with ZO Skin Health Daily Power Defense. This powerful 50 ml formula is packed with ultrasomes and roxisomes, which introduce enzymes to accelerate your skin's natural repair process, ensuring a healthier and more resilient complexion. Infused with vitamin E, it offers robust antioxidant properties to protect your skin from environmental stressors. Ceramide 6 plays a crucial role in restoring your skin's barrier function, keeping it hydrated and protected. To top it off, Matrixyl 3000, a blend of palmitoyl oligopeptide and palmitoyl tetrapeptide-7, works to firm and re-densify your skin, giving you a youthful and revitalized appearance. With a volume of 1.7 fluid ounces, this product is a must-have in your skincare routine. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more skincare insights. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.